Hi, Aaron Kernahan here from Ecl-ips. I'm here to talk to you about the new APC Netbotz Camera Pod. It's actually the Camera Pod 165. We've got one with us here today. In the box comes an installation and quick start guide, and also there is a box with various pieces of ironmongery for bracketry for different mounting uses, including for suspended ceiling, wall, ceiling mounts, etc. The camera pod itself is this little unit here. It's actually got a lens cover on it there, so there's your lens. So quite a small unit. The camera pod itself, it's actually got an infrared emitter here on the bottom, and on the rear of the unit you've got the PoE, so network and power obviously provided by that. If you wanted external power, you've got a 12-volt power input here, and then you've got four outputs on the back. So this Camera Pod 165 works very well, obviously, with the newly launched NetBotz Rack Monitor 750. Thanks very much.